Jai Hind ma'am, as our science project was given to us, so I am going to make a DC motor fan with using a mobile phone battery, copper wire, switch, DC motor, propeller and tape. Let's see, I am going to make it. First I attach two wires to the DC motor. The red wire indicates the positive side and the yellow wire indicates the negative side. Now I am going to attach the wires. First I attach the red wire to the other red wire to connect it to the battery. So I am going to attaching. Here I attach the red wire and the yellow wire, and now I am going to attach the yellow wire to the switch. You can see ma'am. I am attaching it. Here I am attaching it. And now I will join the wires to the battery. First I attach the battery's yellow wire in it. Now I attach the wires to the switch to the battery. Now I am going to attach the wires to the battery. Now I am attaching it to the battery with use of the mobile pin. Now I attach it and it is working, you can see. Now I am attaching the propeller to it and you can see it is working at very high speed. I hope that this project